you a quick garden update. So if you watched the tomato salad video, I talked about how I let the tomato plants go by accident, and this is what happened. Look at how big these tomatoes are. They're like, I used to be able to palm a basketball. I mean, this is a huge tomato, and look how many there are. They're all getting huge. And my theory is that they don't have to support their weight, because I explained it in the earlier video. So check it out. Look at this guy. Unbelievable. Look how many there are too. Also, I'm here to now question, trust, but verify the whole thing about cutting the suckers off. Because this guy's one plant, and I let him go because that was the tomato bed and this was like an extra one. And what happened was, these are all like 10 plants, but those are all the suckers that I never cut. And so now look what's happening. The same thing. You know, a tomato is a vine plant. It's meant to be a vine, not to be supporting itself. So I think the key was that I let it be a vine until the fruit was ready, and then I tied it up to maximize. I mean, look at all of these stalks. This is like more than 10 plants out of one. Anyway, here's a good example. If you don't top the cilantro, see, this is allowed to grow. You've got to top this. And this was topped and it's all bushy. So that's all great. That's the way to do that. We talked about the artichokes last time. And the strawberries are looking good. There's going to be a lot of strawberries pretty soon. This was going to be a dead tomato plant out of the other bed. I put it in the ground to save the tomatoes, and it's actually working. And so, ooh, look, there's a new avocado plant. Artichoke plant coming up. Awesome, we're gonna have more. Too. Green onions. We'll get some garlic chives over here. I already have tomatoes, plenty of tomatoes. This will be good. Garlic chives. And maybe just some cilantro. This is so fresh, bushy. Hey, it's Clutch at Off Grid. I just thought, what the hell, I'm making a salad from what we just got out of the garden. It's real easy. So again, all you need is good ingredients. This is a great olive oil, again, I got from Carolina in the main arcade in Ojai. This is imported, good olive oil. This is a 10-year balsamic, traditional. She's got a 20-year, I haven't opened it yet. And I think this is organic version of that. And this is what we'll be using tonight, is the passion fruit balsamic. So all you have to do is mix the passion fruit balsamic with the olive oil and into the salad. We normally have our lettuce, but as you know, something broke into the lettuce bed, so we had to buy that. We just picked the cilantro. These are the shallots that I'm also using for the salmon. Little green onions as well, and that's all this is, and some feta and some salt and pepper if you'd like that. And then over here, I just use the same ingredients: shallots, lemon, cilantro, green onion, that olive oil. We'll probably put some balsamic on it later, and that just goes in for broil for 10, 15 minutes. It just depends on how well done you want it. All right, that's it, and that I'll make it real quick. It's so easy. Just get the green onions. I'm not eating anything else besides salad and fish tonight. I decided to add some homegrown tomatoes and cucumbers to the salad, just to make it a little bit more hearty. So, and make it ready to rock and roll. Actually, Carolina has the best olive oil. I'm not like a lot of dressing. You don't need a lot. 10 good is all you need. Some people don't like cheese. Alright, we're ready. Looks amazing.
No more room to feel these blues. stardom. Look at all the time we don't have to give up. Everything we're giving is enough. Moments fit